Kristen from Lenovo here. Today we're going to be talking about the Lenovo ThinkSmart View Plus. The ThinkSmart View Plus comes with Microsoft Teams and features premium audio, video, and whiteboarding. It can also be used as an external display. In the box, you'll find the 27-inch Full HD touchscreen display, the 4K IRGB camera with privacy shutter, the magnetic touch pen, a detachable speaker, the monitor stand, and the power cable. Attach the monitor to the stand. Attach the camera and the speaker to the monitor. Place the magnetic pen in the tray or on the sides of the monitor. Plug in the power cable. Connect the USB-C cable. You can also connect your display to an external device with the DisplayPort cable. Follow the initial setup process and log into your Microsoft Teams account. Now your display is ready to use. Let's talk about some device features. On the top is a 4K camera with the privacy shutter. It also has an adjustable field of view and auto tracking. On the bottom is a 4-mic stereo soundbar with mic mute, audio mute, and volume buttons. On the back of the display is the reset button and the rest button, and underneath this LED indicator here is the mode switch button. Pressing the mode switch button puts the device in peripheral mode, and an attached PC can use the display as an external monitor and use the camera, microphones, and speakers as external peripherals. Press mode switch again to return to Teams display mode. On the View Plus, you can wirelessly connect to an external device already loaded with Microsoft Teams. Tap your profile picture and then select Connect a Device. If your other Teams device isn't showing up, turn on Bluetooth pairing on the View Plus. Click Connect next to your device name. On the other device, make sure Teams is open and select Connect. Your device should now be connected.
For more information on your ThinkSmart devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to smartsupport.lenovo.com.